In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the recording tab in PowerPoint. This is a handy tool whether you're looking to record your presentation for distribution, or maybe you simply want to refine your delivery by practicing with a recorded session. So let's dive in and explore how you can manage this feature in your PowerPoint application. The first thing you need to do is go to the Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. The easiest way to access this is by heading directly to their website. Once you're there, the homepage will lead you to the main features of PowerPoint that we'll be working with today. Make sure you're using a browser that you're comfortable with and that it's up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, you'll want to click on Sign In. This step is essential because having an account will give you access to all the features and save your settings. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Remember, if you don't have an account, you can effortlessly create one by clicking Create One. This will allow you seamless access to all the functionalities we're about to discuss. Now, once you've signed in successfully, head over to PowerPoint Home. This is where all your existing presentations are stored. If you're new to PowerPoint or haven't yet created any presentations, this page might look a bit empty, but don't worry, it's a great starting point to explore what you can create. With your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen and find the slideshow option. Clicking on slideshow is your gateway to accessing the various presentation tools that PowerPoint offers. This is also where you'll find the settings for enabling or disabling your recording tab. In the slideshow tab, you should notice an option for presenter view. Clicking here equips you with tools that give you control over your slides while keeping their sequence and your delivery in check. Presenter View provides a rehearsal mode that isn't visible to your audience, giving you a chance to practice until you nail your delivery. Finally, to focus specifically on the Recording tab, look for the Camera option that appears in your settings. Clicking Camera allows you to choose whether you want your sessions to be recorded or remain off. Enabling it allows you to record your presentation, complete with slide transitions, and any on-screen annotations. This empowers you to fine-tune your delivery for both live presentations or distribution as a recorded file. And there you have it. You now know how to enable or disable the Recording tab in PowerPoint, giving you the tools to elevate your presentations. Whether practicing privately or sharing your final product with a broader audience, these settings offer you a versatile approach to perfecting and presenting your work on PowerPoint.